Techno Industrial Products offers all kinds of reed switches, which can be fitted for all sizes of pneumatic cylinders. All the reed switches are small in size, simple in structure, light in weight, low in power consumption, convenient in use, cheap in price, sensitive in action, good in corrosion resistance, and long in life. Reed and solid-state switches are available in a general purpose type or with two-color indication, which allows the optimum operating position to be determined by the color of the light. Solid-state switches are also available in two-color indication with diagnostic output, water-resistant two-color indication, built-in off-delay timer, 200 millisecond, magnetic field resistant, heat resistant, and wide-range detection configurations. Now we are seeing working of these reed switches, available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.